So in 2 minutes or less, we will try to resolve the confusion that can often result from seeing negative signs and powers together. As we know, powers replace repeated multiplication. So in the case of the first example, our number in parentheses is our base, and that is what is being repeatedly multiplied. So I have 4 -2's being repeatedly multiplied, and we should know that when we have an even amount of negatives, we will wind up with a positive answer, and in this case, it will be positive 16. In the case of the other example, what is raised to the fourth power and therefore being repeatedly multiplied is the 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, this is where we need to be careful and know that this negative sign means to take the opposite of or further multiply by -1. So by the time we were all done, we have a -1 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and our final outcome is therefore going to be -16. So not all exponential expressions with negative signs are created equal. Be careful of what your base is. Your base will be negative when it is wrapped in parentheses, and that negative value will be repeatedly multiplied. Your base will be positive when it is not wrapped in parentheses, and the negative sign will play the role of an oppositizer, creating a negative outcome when we are all done. So in 2 minutes or less, that hopefully clears up your confusion between negative signs and powers.